Well, this time for a Cooper Countryman John Cooper Works edition, coming for a maintenance. Spotless, but it needs some touch up. Because this rim is ceramic coated, I'm gonna use a soft brush because it's already clean. So I just need a weak clean, not to scratch it. Soft barrel brush. See all this dirt before the contact watch. So it's raining and we don't want water stains on it. So we dry it, even if we want to clean it later. You see, less than a year ago, this car was ceramic coated. So see how it reacts with the shampoo here. So the ceramics is still good. We're going to top up the ceramic coating with some sealant. It's perfect, see? See here, there is tar on it. Even though the car is dark blue, there's still tar on it. So we have to take them off just to apply the sealant. as you can see, all the seat is shiny, it's oily, and we are going to perform a clean for this leather seat. So as you can see, shiny no more. I use Leather Star from Koch Chemie. So as you can see, the leather is protected, and when it dry, it's going to be matte, not shiny. By the way, this product is not sponsored this video. So if you know any other product that I can use, just let me know in the comments below and I will try it later.